Welcome back. I am Siam, a senior full-stack web and mobile app developer. In this video tutorial, I show how to open or launch external URL from a Flutter mobile app. As a Flutter developer, you must face some case where you need to open external URL in default browser or open the URL directly into another app. So, why open external URLs? Sometimes, your app needs to show content that's better viewed in a browser. For example, directing users to your website or social media page, opening a privacy policy or terms and conditions page, redirecting users to a payment gateway or external service, opening another app like Google Play Subscription Manager, opening email app for sending email directly, opening calling app by clicking on number and go to calling app with the number directly, opening SMS app if you want to open SMS app for sending SMS directly. So, let's start. Very first, we need to create an empty Flutter project. Just go to your terminal. Create an empty Flutter project using the following command. Open the folder into VS Code. You can use any other code editor. So here we need a Flutter developed package. In previous Flutter version, that package was inbuilt Flutter function. But now that function's separate from Flutter, and you can find that into pub.dev. Go to your browser and search for pub.dev. On the resulting page, search for URL launcher. Choose the first one. This is the package we're going to use in my project. This package comes from Flutter. We need to install the package. Click on Installing button and copy the installation code. Go to your VS Code terminal and paste it. After installing successfully, you will find the package is added from pubsec.yml file. So now we need to configure this package for Android and iOS. Copy the configuration code. Now paste the code on Android manifest.xml file. Follow the step. We can beautify the code a little bit. Now we need to configure for iOS device. Open the info.plist file. Copy the configuration code and paste on that file. Configuration part is done. We start our app. Okay, app is started. Now we can write the code, see the real example. Follow my screen. Here we need to write URL launching function, call the launch URL function from the installed package, and give the external URL by passing the URL. If you click the button, it should open the external URL. Now we can see another example. Follow my screen. I'm copying the same button for some different URL. Here we can open the Gmail app for sending email directly. Now we can open SMS app for sending SMS directly to a number. And finally, we can open Phone app for calling to a number. So, we can use the package by this instruction. Stay tuned for next video tutorial. So my final word is, if you need me for your next project, hire me today. I am available for doing any kind of web and mobile app project. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.